stick holding, different styles and all that stuff gets you comfortable with playing drums. What we're going to do is there's going to be 4 main styles we're going to work on. These styles are going to be we're going to work on the traditional, which is a mix between American and German grip, and the French grip, and then we're going to talk about traditional grip. You'll be able to use these in different positions, different ways to play on the set and all that stuff. You want to be able to rotate how you play. Okay, so if we go down and look at the hands, the first grip we're going to work on is the German grip. The German grip, the hands are straight over like this. This is called the fulcrum. The fulcrum is where you hold the stick, right here and right here. You pinch it. This should go down, fingers lay on it, like that. Then we flip it over, palms parallel to the drums. This German grip really is used a lot, symphonic stuff, buzz rolls and all that stuff. Probably this one and the American grip are the ones used most on drum set. The next way is the American grip. The American grip is the same thing, but we're going to slant it just a little bit more. So it's kind of like a mixture of that and another grip, which is the French grip. French grip, thumbs are up. This is used a lot in timpani, different snare, buzz rolls, real nice buzz. So on this group, like I said, the thumbs go parallel like this to the stick. These techniques combined will be used in different, especially on drum set, in different ways to move. When I play jazz, I love the French grip on this hand, and I like the American/German grip on this hand. So we got that. Okay, now with these techniques, we're going to want to work on different methods. There's the Moeller method. Moeller method really comes in, it's pinched here, and this is going to be your strong point of your stick holding right here. This is a little bit loose. You're not holding onto the fulcrum tight. You're really loose down here. The best way to practice this start is just try this. Try to hold it here and use your wrist. Fingers out, use your wrist. This helps get this grip. If one thing I see more on drum line and snare and all that stuff is when they're playing, they like to pull this finger out. You don't want that. You don't want this. So try to avoid that as much as possible. Keep these in, very important. On the fulcrum grip too, this right here, that helps you keep a nice balance on your stick, and it gives you a grip. Now the problem with that is, it's pretty solid grip you're holding on, where the Moeller, you're really loose up here more. So, another one to work on is the traditional. Traditional is bringing your hand over here, goes like here. Now, on drumline, I always make my guys, it's got to go on that first cuticle. We really want it there. Want it there. This, again, where that fulcrum is, that right there, is going to be where your thumb sits. So this is here, and this one is pointing up. It's actually, you're actually showing that middle finger up. It looks like you shouldn't be doing this to people in the crowd, I guess. So you want that finger up, this down. So that's going to be more of your traditional grip, okay? So used in drumline, jazz band players, guys traditionally taught, like to play the French grip here, traditional here. Now, another thing on drum set, I know I'm not on my set, but to show you the reason why you want to use your German or American grip on the ride is to bring out accents on the bell. So you have that, which there you're whipping. Now in this, we want to do, there's a couple techniques I can give you real quick. There's open close, which is push pull. You're going to go with your right hand, you open your hands, keeping it on the fulcrum, and you're going to close it. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. What this does is get your fingers working. So if I can do this, here's 3. Open, tap, close. Open, tap, close. Open, tap, close. So now if I do that, right hand, now I have that pattern going. Fingers still on the stick. Kind of a German with a, there's a French method. Open, tap, close. Fingers coming out, still on the stick. German method. Open, tap, close. Open, two. This also works on doubles. If you do this, see my right stick? So you're not pulsing into the drum, you're pulling off of the drum. Very important. The other one is, it's a pull tap. You're doing this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. This is really good on your shuffle. Part of the Moeller method. Again, holding it right here, real loose. So it's tap, down. Even do this on a hi-hat on your set. Tap down, tap down. Good for shuffles. There's tight. Open, close. Rosanna, Rosanna. So, just remember, we also want to do a thing called snap-ups for exercises, which are you rappel off of the drum. Snap-ups are you're going to hold the stick on the fulcrum position, German style, straight hands, pop up, pop up, pop up, pop up, hit, and rappel. Just like it's a hot surface. So that way we get our wrist working. Because drums are, they say it's all wrist on the drums. It's wrist and fingers actually. You want to develop those fingers and your wrist. This will give you a clean technique. So on traditional, I used to make my students sit there and do this so they're learning to play off of it. Don't use the bounce, pull off of the drum on traditional. Very important for drumline guys to do this. Then it goes back. And then of course there's holding it tight and then loose. One's called a staccato, and one is a legato. Staccato's tight, legato's loose. Okay? So, they're very important methods. Practice them. Hit pause on a couple of them. Watch those techniques. Watch your grips. Remember them. German flat. American's a little bit more. French is straight up. All right? I hope you have a good day. And I hope you enjoy working on this. And practice, 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 as they say. All right, thank you.